2025 is calling. It's a new year. A blank page. 2025 is your time. This is your moment to rise, to dream, to achieve. Everything you desire is within reach. You have the power within you. Let's make this year incredible. This year, forget past disappointments. This is about fresh starts and bold action. This is about becoming the best version of yourself. Are you ready? Let's begin. Why your goals matter, shaping your future. Goals give you direction. They provide a roadmap for your journey. Without goals, you drift aimlessly. With goals, you take control of your destiny. Imagine yourself a year from now. What do you see? A healthier you? A thriving business? Stronger relationships? Your goals paint the picture of your future. Start small, think big. Each goal, no matter how small, moves you forward. Each step brings you closer to the life you envision. Your future starts now. The power of habits, small changes, big results. It's often the little things we do every day that shape our future in profound ways. Imagine the impact of writing a single page daily, or jogging for just 20 minutes each morning. These small actions, when repeated consistently, can lead to significant improvements in our lives. Habits are the building blocks of success. Just like a wall is built brick by brick, our achievements are constructed through our daily routines. Each small action is a piece of the puzzle, contributing to the bigger picture of our goals and dreams. They are the small, consistent actions that compound over time. Think of a plant growing from a tiny seed or sand filling an hourglass. These processes are slow and steady, but they lead to remarkable outcomes. The same principle applies to our habits. Good habits propel you towards your goals. Whether it's an athlete training for a race or a student working towards a diploma, the consistent effort put in daily is what leads to success. It's the culmination of all those small steps that gets you to the finish line. Want to lose weight? Make exercise a daily habit. Start with something manageable, like a short jog or a simple workout routine. Pair it with healthy eating habits, and over time, you'll see the results. It's not about drastic changes, but about making small, sustainable adjustments. Want to write a book? Commit to writing a page every day. It might seem insignificant at first, but those pages will add up. Before you know it, you'll have a complete manuscript. The key is consistency and dedication to the process. Small changes, repeated consistently, yield remarkable results. Mark your progress on a calendar and watch as those daily check marks accumulate. It's a visual reminder of your commitment and the progress you're making, no matter how small it may seem. Focus on building one good habit at a time. Make it automatic. Make it stick. Then add another. Use reminders and cues to help you stay on track. Practice makes perfect, and soon these habits will become second nature. Watch as your small habits lead to massive transformation. Just like a butterfly emerging from a chrysalis, you'll experience a metamorphosis. The small, consistent efforts you put in today will shape the person you become tomorrow. Embrace the journey and celebrate the progress along the way. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly while others struggle? The answer often lies in their mindset. A powerful, positive mindset can be a game changer in your journey towards success. Your mindset shapes your beliefs, your actions, and ultimately, your results. It's the lens through which you view the world and your place in it. A growth mindset, as opposed to a fixed mindset, embraces challenges, learns from criticism, and persists in the face of setbacks. Imagine you're facing a difficult task. With a fixed mindset, you might think, "I'm not good at this," and give up. But with a growth mindset, you'd say, "I can improve with practice," and keep pushing forward. This shift in perspective is crucial. Visualize your goals and believe in your ability to achieve them. Positive affirmations can help reinforce this belief. Tell yourself daily, "I am capable. I am resilient. I am on the path to success." Over time, these affirmations will become ingrained in your subconscious mind, boosting your confidence and motivation. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out mentors, friends, and communities that uplift and support you. Their encouragement can make a world of difference in maintaining a positive mindset. Remember, setbacks are not failures. They are opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace them with an open mind. Reflect on what went wrong, adjust your approach, and move forward with renewed determination. The power of mindset cannot be overstated. It is the foundation upon which all success is built. Cultivate a mindset that believes in endless possibilities and watch as your dreams transform into reality. Your journey to success starts from within. Mastering goal setting. A roadmap to success. Setting goals is a fundamental step in achieving success, but it requires more than just writing down what you want. It involves a strategic approach and a clear vision of where you want to go. Setting goals is simple, but it's not always easy. Start with clarity. Understand what you truly want to achieve. This clarity will serve as your compass, guiding you through the journey. What do you truly desire? Be specific. Write down your goals. This makes them real. When you put pen to paper, you transform abstract ideas into tangible targets. This act of writing is a powerful first step. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable steps. This process of segmentation makes the journey less overwhelming. Each small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. This makes them less daunting and more achievable. By focusing on one step at a time, you build confidence and maintain momentum. Celebrate your wins along the way. Momentum is key. Track your progress. Review your goals regularly. Each small victory is a milestone that deserves recognition. It keeps you motivated and on track. Adjust your approach as needed. Flexibility is crucial. Sometimes the path to your goal may change, and that's okay. Be prepared to adapt and refine your strategy. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process. Embrace the experiences and lessons learned along the way. They are invaluable and contribute to your growth and success. Real people, real results. Stories of transformation. In this section, we delve into the lives of individuals who have faced significant challenges and emerged victorious, transforming their lives in remarkable ways. These are not just stories. They are testaments to the human spirit's resilience and the power of determination. Meet Sarah, a single mother who dreamed of starting her own business. Despite the odds stacked against her, she never gave up on her vision. Balancing her responsibilities as a mother and her aspirations as an entrepreneur, Sarah embarked on a journey that would change her life forever. She set small, achievable goals, developed productive habits, and persevered through challenges. Every night after putting her child to bed, she would spend hours planning, researching, and working on her business idea. Her dedication was unwavering, and her passion fueled her progress. Today, she runs a successful bakery, inspiring aspiring entrepreneurs everywhere. Her story is a beacon of hope for those who believe that their dreams are out of reach. Sarah's Bakery is not just a business, it's a symbol of her hard work, resilience, and the belief that anything is possible with determination. John, a retired teacher, always dreamed of writing a novel. For years, he nurtured this dream, but life's responsibilities always seemed to get in the way. Retirement, however, offered him the perfect opportunity to finally pursue his passion. He committed to writing a page a day, honed his craft, and sought feedback. Joining a local writers group, John found a community of like-minded individuals who encouraged and supported him. He spent countless hours refining his manuscript, learning the intricacies of storytelling, and embracing the creative process. His debut novel, published at the age of 65, became a bestseller. John's story is a powerful reminder that it's never too late to follow your dreams. His success has inspired many others to pick up the pen and start writing, proving that age is just a number when it comes to achieving your goals. These stories and countless others prove that transformation is possible at any age, with any background. Whether you're a young parent with big dreams or a retiree with a lifelong passion, the potential for change and growth is always within reach. The key is to stay committed, seek support, and never lose sight of your goals. What's your story going to be? The journey of transformation begins with a single step. Take that step today, and who knows where it might lead you. The possibilities are endless, and your story is waiting to be written. Staying motivated, keeping the fire alive. Staying motivated can be challenging. There will be obstacles, there will be setbacks. Embrace them. They are part of the journey. They make you stronger. Surround yourself with supportive people. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals. Celebrate your successes together. Their encouragement will fuel your fire. Visualize your success. See yourself achieving your goals. Feel the emotions. This will keep you motivated and focused, even when faced with challenges. Claim your 2025. Time to take action. The time for dreaming is over. The time for action is now. 2025 is your year to shine. Embrace the power within you. You are capable of amazing things. Start today. Take that first step. No matter how small, consistency is key. Believe in yourself. You hold the key to unlocking your full potential. Make 2025 your best year yet. The world is waiting to witness your greatness. Go out there and make it happen. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you setting goals for your success? What can you accomplish in 2025? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Don't forget to check out our other videos, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial nuggets. Until next time, keep growing that money tree.